Hello everyone, today on the Skoda Octavia tour with 1.6 engine. The client complains of a creaking coming from under the hood both during movement and at idle. During the diagnosis, it was revealed that the sound comes from the gearbox. It was decided to remove the gearbox and see what happened there. In this video we will look at how to remove the gearbox on this car. Well, let's start disassembling. To avoid short circuits, disconnect the battery terminals. Then we tear off the bolts of the front left wheel, raise the car and remove the wheel. Now remove the air filter housing. For this we unscrew the two bolts, the nut, remove the connector from the sensor and disconnect the air pipe. Unscrew and remove engine protection. If you need to change the oil, then unscrew this plug. Fill in the bolts, securing the ball joint with penetrating grease. And unscrew the 3 bolts. Unscrew the mounting bolts of the drives and remove them from the gearbox. We move the left drive together with a spherical support. We put the bag on the drive so that hot sand does not fall on it. Unscrew the 2 bolts and disconnect the clutch slave cylinder. Then you need to remove the starter. Disconnect the wires from it, unscrew the 2 studs of its fastening and remove the starter. Unscrew the 4 bolts and remove the rear engine mount. Bring the clutch tube together with the cylinder up. Disconnect the gear selector rods, 1 from above and 2 from below. Remove the connector from the rear light enable sensor. Also, do not forget to disconnect the connector from the speed sensor, access to it from under the arch to the left wheel. In the same place we unscrew the bolt that secures the power tube. We substitute a jack under the engine, so that the engine can be lowered below. Unscrew the 2 upper bolts of the gearbox to the block. Also unscrew the 2 engine mount bolts. Unscrew the 3 bolts and remove the support bracket. Unscrew 4 bolts from below. Over the right drive, unscrew the bolt and remove the shield. Now you can remove the gearbox. Here we have a new clutch. What can't you say about the clutch release rod sleeve? We will change the sleeve and the oil seal as well as the clutch release rod. Take out the old sleeve, as well as leftovers. With the help of a suitable attachment, drive the new bushing into the input shaft until it stops. Then we take a new oil seal from hammer it in its place. Lubricate the new stem with oil and install in place. Then install the gearbox in place and assemble everything in reverse order. Thank you for your attention. Like it. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.